If you're moving into college and you're stressed about what to pack, this is the ultimate college essentials packing video just for you. I am also an incoming freshman at Pomona College. I kind of just made this video for like overpackers like myself and people who are stressed about missing anything. So I also kind of made this video to help myself. And so I also hope it helps you guys. I included like a bunch of random stuff that might be very helpful for you guys. I divided it into a few categories. First off, I'm starting with clothes. Obviously, for clothes, you need hangers to hang up your clothes and be more organized. With organization, you also need storage bins and storage cubes from Amazon or anywhere else. A shoe rack, because I feel like that would help really organize the shoes and stuff. A laundry basket to keep all your dirty clothes in one place. Stain remover. A laundry detergent. And then for like just basic clothes like sweaters, cardigans, because it might get like cold depending on where you live. Sweatpants, leggings, and any like workout clothes for when you go to the gym. Bikinis, because you never know if you like, go to the pool. Socks, sandals, and like uggs. A jewelry organizer. I don't really have one right now, and I feel like for college it'll be really helpful to keep my jewelry like organized and not like tangled. Blankets. Next category is bathroom. Most people have communal bathrooms, so you probably need bathroom shoes, like shower shoes, because you do not want to be going in there barefoot, is what I heard. Moisturizing body lotion, mouthwash, body wash. Also, I have it all on my computer, so I can just read it off. Razor and shaving cream, perfume, deodorant, because you don't want to be smelly during the summer. Shower caddy with mesh, because you don't want like mold to form in the mesh in the shower caddy, and it's just so much easier to like carry all your stuff to and from the dorm to the bathroom. And when it's that time of the month, pads and like tampons, exfoliating loofah, sandals like inside the dorm, like dorm slippers, soap, and extra towels, those microfiber towels for your head if you need those, a cleansing balm for your face, and then a robe, floss, and nail clipper, lotion, and then cotton rounds or like cotton pads for cleaning your face or your makeup, face wash headband, and then also like a face wash head wristband. Okay, next up is bedroom. These are just for like basic like living room kind of stuff or like for your bed. For my like school website at least, they said a few essentials were extra long twin sheets, extra long mattress cover, pillowcases. Some people like these, but some people don't. It's really up to you. A storage ottoman if you want your bed to be extra comfy, a bedspread and comforter, power strips, a window fan, blackout curtain, wall clock, command hook strips because you don't want to ruin your walls and if you want to hang stuff up, fuzzy blanket to make your room more cozy like the Pinterest dorms, bed risers if you want your bed to be like taller, and then there's IKEA carts like extra blankets, like extra throw blankets. Next up is decor for like your desk. Vanity mirror with the big lights I think would be so great for when you're getting ready with your friends. A drawers organizer from like IKEA, like everything neat and organized in your drawers instead of everything cluttered around. Sunset lamp, a mushroom lamp. I've been seeing these everywhere on Pinterest and they are so cute. I feel like they would look so good in dorms. Posters, you can like literally print them out at Walmart or anywhere. LED lights, picture frame, fake plants or real plants if you can maintain them. Lego sets as like decoration. Books, full mirror, regular mirror that you can hang up or those like squiggly ones. A rug, comfy chair, or like a beanbag. Now for beauty, hair straightener, and heat protectant spray because my hair is really damaged from swimming. Hair oil, hair mask, any of the hair care stuff, any skincare stuff, face mask, under eye mask, shampoo and conditioner, hair ties, and lots of hairbrushes, claw clips, blow dryer, like a Dyson Airwrap, pimple patches, any jewelry that you have, earplugs, and an eye mask for like when you're sleeping, sunscreen, lots of sunscreen, tweezers, toilet paper. They'll probably have toilet paper, but like just in case, a makeup bag or like a toiletry bag, and then a yoga mat. Next up is electronics, mini fridge, portable charger, extension cords, a mini fan or like a big fan, especially if your dorm has no AC. My dorm this year has no AC and I'm like actually so stressed because it's like hot there, so I'm actually gonna die during the summer. A computer obviously, and in addition to the fan, an evaporative cooler for AC, a scooter and a lock if your campus is big and you don't want to walk around, or like a bicycle and a U style lock, a camera charger and like cameras if you have any like digital cameras, headphone and headphone chargers, any chargers, long chargers, iPad, a microwave. Okay, now for school stuff, backpack, a tote bag, a folder holder for a desk, notebooks and any planners, a calendar for your wall or any planner calendar, extra paper, any like stationery stuff like pens, pencils, highlighters, staples, rulers, whiteout, erasers, scissors, sharpies, glasses, and tape, stationery organizer for your desk, and a desk organizer for your drawer, backpack accessories like keychains to make it like cute, a pencil case, flash drive. Okay, for cleaning, because for move-in day you need to like clean everything. I saw a tip somewhere that you need to clean the vents out on your first day because it'll help you so much like not get sick and stuff because it's really dirty in there. Okay, tissues, Clorox wipes, paper towels, hand sanitizer or like those touch power mist hand sanitizers, dryer sheets, air freshener plug-in, a mini vacuum, a lint roller, a dustpan and a broom to like pick up any random stuff on the ground, a Swiffer mop cleaner, moving bags for move-in day. I heard these are so helpful for when you're moving in and carrying all your stuff. Next, for medicine, everyone gets sick when they first move in. Tylenol, Dayquil and NyQuil, emergency, cough drops, basic first aid kit, Neosporin, Band-Aid, any prescriptions, an ice pack, zinc pills, iron pills, apple cider vinegar. I take them first thing in the morning and they're very helpful. Mucinex and like a heating pod, Advil. I don't have that many for food and snack, but some things that I saw were coffee maker. This is not food and snack, but a big plastic bag or like a small one, plastic cups and plastic bowls, and like a water bottle. Lastly, we have extras, a sticky wallet. I'm definitely gonna get this because it's so helpful to keep your ID and your other stuff on your phone at all times. Trash can, air purifier because this helps keep like the room clean. Chair cushion for your desk chair, sunglasses, umbrella, any like purses or bags, batteries that you have, a gym bag if you go to the gym a lot, or like a beach bag if you're close to the beach. Brita water filter also be really helpful and save you a lot of time. Room spray to keep your room nice and smelling good. Extra shoes for when you're like going out and stuff. That is the end of my college essentials video. That was like about 150 college essential stuff that you might want for like move-in day as a freshman or any grade. And I'm also an incoming freshman, but I kind of just did this for like myself because I stress out a lot. So hopefully this also helped you guys if you guys are any like overpackers or you guys just need to pack everything. So yeah, I wish you guys luck on your move-in day and college life, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!